Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm just going to tell you that how to turn off dark mode on Facebook, which is very simple and easy to do. So just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps my channel much more. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook. So just tap on the three lines on the top right to go to the menu section, and here you can see a gear near about the search icon. Just simply tap on this gear in order to open up settings and privacy. So once you reach to settings and privacy, just scroll down a little bit, and then you will find the option of dark mode. What all you have to do is just simply tap on that option, and then here you can see the off option. Just in order to turn off dark mode on Facebook, just tap on this option. So that's how you can easily turn off dark mode on Facebook. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I would recommend you to check the latest videos on the end screen.